I'm going to show you on how you can create such an social media handle overlay using AI. Not the hardest way, but the easiest way possible. So first, take a screenshot of such an overlays, which is a default one. Let's go the easiest way rather than waiting for it. Let's crop it just like that. Save. Then we're gonna go to Gemini AI. We're gonna add our screenshot. We're gonna, as you can see, it has already loaded, so we're gonna use this prompt. So mine has been written: remove any other and remain with YouTube, TikTok, Twitch, and Instagram. Then change the default name to Maclear Games. Then change the background to green screen so that I can use it on a video as an overlay. As you can see, that's the outcome. And yeah, something great. Yeah. And at first it came out with something such. Yeah. So that's how you can use AI to create an overlay, text, icons for social media handles. Yeah, using your mobile phone. Anyways, if this has helped you, find it well to share, like, and subscribe for more. Anyways, see you next time.